Welcome to your 60 Seconds of Wisdom. Today we venture into a topic that's as relevant as it is intriguing: spotting a narcissist in the workplace. It's an issue that impacts everyone, from top executives to entry-level employees, and it's something that can be tricky to navigate. Narcissists often exude an air of superiority, a sense of self-importance that could fill up a room. It can be subtle, an undercurrent in their actions and words, or it can be overt, a palpable aura that you can't quite ignore. They seek constant admiration like a plant craves sunlight, feeding their inflated self-esteem with the praises and compliments they fish for. These individuals have a tendency to monopolize conversations, turning every dialogue into a monologue about themselves. It's as if they're on an endless stage, with everyone else merely serving as an audience to their performance. They love the sound of their own voice, and they make sure others do too. They have a knack for belittling others, employing a litany of tactics to diminish their colleagues' confidence or abilities. They might use sarcasm, mockery, or subtle jabs, anything to steal the spotlight and make themselves look superior. It's a game to them, a challenge to see how much they can push their colleagues down to elevate their own status. Moreover, they often show a lack of empathy, a deficiency in understanding or sharing the feelings of others. It's as if they're wearing a pair of emotional blinders, unable to see beyond their own needs, desires, and perspectives. They're like high-rise buildings, casting long, cold shadows on those around them. Do you notice a colleague taking credit for your work, spotlighting their name on your efforts, or perhaps manipulating situations, twisting narratives to serve their own ends? These could be classic signs of narcissism, red flags that wave high and clear, signaling their self-centric nature. But remember, it's not your job to diagnose them. It's not your place to label them. It's not about categorizing people. It's about recognizing the behavior that affects the work environment. So what can you do in such situations? First and foremost, maintain your professional boundaries. Don't let their behavior affect your work or well-being. It's like weathering a storm. You need to stay firm, hold your ground, and not let their turbulent winds throw you off course. Seek support from your superiors or human resources if you feel targeted. Remember, the workplace is not a battleground. It's a place of collaboration and growth. You have every right to be heard, to be respected, and to work in a positive environment. And finally, remember, it's not about you. It's about them. It's not a reflection of your abilities or worth, but a mirror to their insecurities and inadequacies. Stay strong, stay professional, and keep your focus on what matters. Their behavior does not define you, but how you handle it does. In the end, it's about mastering the art of patience, resilience, and assertiveness. It's about learning how to navigate the complexities of human behavior in the workplace. And that's your 60 seconds of wisdom.